In the context of eternalism, equally exist does not mean simultaneously exist in the sense we usually understand simultaneity. Instead, it refers to the idea that all moments in time, past, present, and future, are ontologically real and part of the four-dimensional structure of spacetime. Here's a breakdown. 1. Equally exist. All events in time, e.g., our reading this sentence, a future lunar landing, are equally part of the universe. The distinction between past, present, and future is subjective and dependent on an observer's perspective, rather than reflecting a fundamental difference in existence. 2. Simultaneity in relativity. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, simultaneity is relative to an observer's frame of reference. What is simultaneous for one observer may not be for another, depending on their motion through spacetime. This relativistic view undermines the idea of a universal now and supports the eternalist notion that all points in time coexist in the block universe. 3. Simultaneous in eternalism. In eternalism, simultaneous doesn't make sense in the usual way because all times are equally real. The idea of moments being simultaneous only applies within specific frames of reference in relativity. Eternalism abstracts away from the notion of simultaneity and focuses instead on the idea that all events are fixed and embedded in spacetime. 4. Key clarification. While in our everyday experience, simultaneously exist implies occurring at the same moment in time, eternalism reframes existence itself as independent of temporal flow. Thus, equally exist in eternalism means that the past, present, and future are all part of the same block, regardless of whether they appear simultaneous to any observer. Analogy. Think of a movie reel. Every frame of the film exists on the reel, even though only one frame is displayed on the screen at any given moment. The eternalist perspective is akin to saying all the frames, moments in time, exist equally, even though our experience, the screen, makes us perceive just one frame at a time. In short, eternalism does not imply that past, present, and future are simultaneous in the conventional sense, but rather that they all have the same ontological status in the structure of the universe.